Are you looking for the best wall-mounted jewelry organizers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best wall-mounted jewelry organizers that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. Keebofly Wall-Mounted Jewelry Organizer. This jewelry organizer has a rustic wood finish. The carbonized black finish also makes this cabinet look beautiful. Moreover, the smooth metal T-bar makes installation trouble-free. This wall-mounted jewelry organizer comes with a see-through door. Nevertheless, the acrylic door keeps dust away from your accessories. The wall jewelry holder keeps your floor space safe from clutters. The 6 pinning studs also let you place cards, notes, and photos. Furthermore, this cabinet has multiple hooks for necklaces and earrings. The extra storage space lets you store necklaces, watches, glasses, bracelets, and more. However, the rustic wooden finish enhances the beauty of this organizer. Number 4. DHMK Jewelry Wall Organizer. This wall-mounted jewelry organizer comes with linen padding. This padding also protects your accessories from damages and tarnishing. Moreover, the installation process of this organizer is lesser trouble-causing. This cabinet comes with 21 pieces of functional hooks. Nevertheless, the detachable drawers help you to organize the accessories with ease. This hanging organizer also comes with a beautiful rustic finish. Furthermore, this cabinet has a shelf for perfumes and a detachable bracelet rod. The hardwood construction prolongs the lifespan of this wooden furniture. However, this organizer includes separate stud and ring areas. This wooden display stand looks decorative for your spaces. Number 3. QUANYOU Full Mirror Jewelry Organizer. This sleek wall-mounted jewelry organizer looks stylish and contemporary. The Armoire also has the construction of a durable MDF board. Moreover, the inner material of this cabinet has the construction of hard-wearing metal. The spray-free technology makes this cabinet look beautiful. Nevertheless, this armoire comes with 6 pieces of LED lights. The key lock closure keeps your accessories protected. The automatic light-off function also makes this cabinet energy efficient. Furthermore, the styrofoam of this cabinet protects the glass mirror from shattering. The paint-free surface assures the safety of users. This organizer stores earrings, eyeliners, cosmetics, lipsticks, and foundations. However, the automatic light lets you see jewelry shining. Number 2. SRIWATANA Jewelry Armoire Cabinet. The rustic finish makes this jewelry armoire stylish and chic. This space-saving furniture also makes a perfect choice for modern apartments. Moreover, the wall or door-mounted organizer accompanies by a full-length mirror. This vintage-style armoire comes along with a magnetic lockable door. Nevertheless, the 2-level height adjustable hanging armoire fits your doors precisely. The 45-degree slanted design also lets you have easy access to earrings. Furthermore, the black metal parts complement the rustic wooden armoire. This jewelry cabinet has a mirrored door. This full-length mirror lets you check your outfit from head to toe. However, the LED light automatically turns on when you open the door. Number 1. Keebofly Wall-Mounted Jewelry Organizer. This wall-mounted jewelry organizer comes in a pack of 2. The wooden boards also make installation lesser troublesome. Moreover, the wooden jewelry holders have an aesthetic carbonized black finish. These hanging organizers keep your floor spaces clutter-free. Nevertheless, these display racks come with a wood-led shelf design. These cabinets also have 37 holes and a necklace rack. Furthermore, this jewelry display rack requires no assembly. The metal parts reinforce the structure of these cabinets. You will require no extra hardware to install these organizers. However, the metal parts are never prone to rusting and corroding. The hanging hooks let you hang bracelets and necklaces.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.